Welcome back to Car Reviewpedia, the ultimate place for all things automotive. Today, we're taking a look at the 2025 KTM car, a vehicle that blends cutting-edge technology, performance, and design in a way that few others can match. While KTM is more widely known for its high-performance motorcycles, they've made a surprising and impressive foray into the world of cars, and this latest model demonstrates just how far they've come. At first glance, the 2025 KTM car is a striking vehicle. The sharp angles and aggressive stance scream performance, and it's clear that this car means business. The front end is dominated by a bold grille and sleek headlights that almost look like they belong on a race car. The aerodynamic design has been carefully crafted to enhance performance, with smooth, flowing lines that guide air around the body. You'll notice the attention to detail, as every inch of the car is built for both style and function. When you get behind the wheel, the 2025 KTM car feels like a dream. The interior is a blend of modern luxury and high-tech simplicity. The dashboard is dominated by a large, high-resolution touchscreen that controls everything from navigation to the climate control system. There's also a set of physical buttons for essential functions, so you're never lost in a sea of menus. The seats are designed to keep you in place during high-speed driving, and they're covered in premium materials that feel both luxurious and sporty. The cabin may be compact, but it's comfortable for both the driver and passengers. It's clear that KTM has put a lot of thought into the ergonomics of the car, ensuring that every control is within easy reach. The layout is intuitive, and you'll find that everything is exactly where you expect it to be. Now let's talk performance, and this is where the KTM really shines. The 2025 model comes with an all-new engine that's built for power and efficiency. With a turbocharged inline-4, the car generates a jaw-dropping amount of horsepower, making it a true thrill to drive. Whether you're cruising on the highway or taking tight corners on a mountain pass, the 2025 KTM car handles it all with ease. The acceleration is swift, and the car's suspension is tuned to provide both comfort and control, so you feel confident no matter the driving conditions. KTM's decision to focus on lightweight materials means that the car's performance is even more impressive. The body is crafted from carbon fiber and aluminum, which reduces the overall weight without sacrificing strength. This results in a car that feels agile and nimble, responding to every steering input with precision. On the road, the 2025 KTM car feels incredibly stable. The all-wheel drive system ensures that power is distributed evenly to each wheel, which makes a huge difference when cornering or accelerating out of a tight spot. The car also features advanced stability control systems that help maintain traction and keep you safe even in tricky conditions. When it comes to braking, the car is equipped with high-performance brakes that bring the vehicle to a stop with impressive efficiency. But performance isn't the only thing that makes the 2025 KTM car stand out. KTM has also made significant strides in terms of safety and technology. The car is packed with advanced driver assistance systems, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. These features provide peace of mind, especially on long trips or in heavy traffic. One area where KTM really impresses with this car is in its hybrid powertrain options. With an electric motor paired with the traditional internal combustion engine, the 2025 KTM car offers a great balance between power and fuel efficiency. The electric motor helps reduce fuel consumption, making the car not only more eco-friendly but also more affordable to maintain in the long run. If you're someone who enjoys a connected driving experience, you'll be pleased to know that the 2025 KTM car is equipped with a full suite of connectivity features. The car integrates seamlessly with your smartphone, allowing you to control various aspects of the car from the comfort of your phone. Whether you want to check fuel levels, lock or unlock the doors, or even set your navigation, the app makes it easy to stay in control. Finally, let's talk about price. While KTM cars aren't necessarily inexpensive, the 2025 model offers excellent value when you consider its performance, technology, and build quality. You're getting a car that's capable of going toe-to-toe with some of the best performance cars out there, but at a price point that's more accessible than many of its competitors. In conclusion, the 2025 KTM car is a thrilling and well-rounded vehicle that deserves attention. Whether you're a performance enthusiast, a tech lover, or someone who values style and comfort,